Hey everyone, it's Claudia with LiefRoyal, and today we're going to talk about our oil CBD tinctures and the dosage of the CBD. And we're going to make it in a funny way. Matthew, who's behind the camera, is going to ask me questions and I'm going to answer them. So, you want to start?
Let's do it. First question, full bottle. How many milliliters of oil do we have then?
Our LiefRoyal has 30 milliliters of CBD oil in the tincture.
That's a full bottle?
That's the full bottle.
Okay, now how much is one full dropper?
One full dropper is 1 milliliter.
Perfect. And the entire bottle, you said 30 milliliters. How much CBD is that?
In the entire bottle, there's 1,250 milligrams of CBD.
Okay, and now in one full dropper, how much is that? 1 milliliter, right?
Yes.
And how much CBD?
So in one full dropper, there's around 43, 44 milligrams of CBD.
And is that full spectrum or broad spectrum
It's
CBD?
full spectrum.
How much should I take if I'm starting, assuming that I'm starting?
If you're starting, we recommend you to start off with a quarter of a dropper that's 0.25 milliliters, and we made it easy for you because we marked it over here. And if you overdose, overtake a little bit, that's not a problem because this is really safe and you don't have any side effects.
Perfect. Now, how do I take it?
All right, so it's also really simple. And you take your dosage, you put it under your tongue, and you let it dissolve for about 10 to 15 seconds, and you're set.
That's it?
That's it.
Simple.
Easy and simple.
Thank you.
Thank you.